Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I have another video for you guys. It's going to be a budget headset unboxing from Bengoo. Between the $30 and $40 range, it's the Bengoo 9200 budget headset for PC and PS4. It's also compatible with Xbox. So let's go ahead, open it up, check it out, and do a brief overview of some of the features of the headset. Let's take a look at the packaging here. Cardboard packaging, nothing special. Crazy logo. Don't know what that's supposed to be. Bengoo sounds like a Chinese brand. Bengoo, it says 9100 here, but I ordered the 9200 online. Let's see, maybe they just made a mistake or a typo. We'll see. Alright, typical packaging you'll get in this price range. Just got a bunch of stuff thrown in here. Desk. Free gift. Alright, so you can get a $20 gift card for image or video review. Okay, free return card. Extended warranty. And let's see, is this a USB adapter? Okay, so they give you a 3.5mm jack splitter for your mic input and for your headset input here. It's a quick user guide. Alright, so looking at the build construction, I mean, it's nothing crazy, that's for sure. Probably the most durable part will probably be this metal piece right here. The rest is just cheap plastic with leatherette, covered in leatherette. It's like not even thick foam. Very, very thin foam. I don't know how comfortable this will be. You got your mic, not detachable. Has some sort of cylinder thing going on here for adjustment. Got your audio thing right here. You can mute your mic, unmute it. Got your volume wheel. Got your USB port here, plug. 3.5mm. So you plug this into the splitter, and the splitter goes into your PC. So you have the mic connection and the headset connection connected into your PC. This one's tied up in Velcro. So whenever you finish, you can just roll it back up and tie it. I'm thinking this is like some sort of extension maybe, in case you're sitting far away. Actually, oh wow, it's getting all tangled up from all the wires. So without the splitter being plugged in, this part plugs right into your PS4 controller, and the USB part plugs into the console for power for the RGB lights that come on here. Okay, so I have my PS4 controller here. Go ahead, plug it in. Go ahead, plug in the USB to the USB port for the PS4. And there you have it. And it's just turned off. There we go. Got a little light on the microphone here. Very flexible microphone. Looks nice, looks a little tacky. You know, but for 30 bucks, you can't really complain. I'm sure there are better headsets out there for 30 bucks. Maybe not build quality wise, but maybe more premium materials used. This is not by any means a review. It's just an unboxing, just in a brief look over the features of the device. Pretty sure there are other people out there that do headset reviews. If you're looking to see, or just look at the reviews on Amazon. to see if this is a good buy for you. I'm just showing you the product and what it offers. That's basically it. If you guys look forward to more unboxing videos, just go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification button to make sure you get notifications once I upload. So what do you guys think of these headsets? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like for future unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.